Okay, once again, I assume you've read the question and worked it on your own. So let's just jump in. Okay, so we're given the velocity vector. Find the x-coordinate, the position, so I want an antiderivative, at 2. Now they give me 1, ask for 2. So I'm going to do the integral from 1 to 2 of my velocity, the x-coordinate. So I want the cosine t squared dt. Now remember, that will give me x of 2 minus x of 1 by the FTC part 2, right? F of b minus f of a. So I already know at 1 the x position is 3. So I use my calculator to get that. I get negative 0.443. They give me x of 2 minus 3. Add 3, so x of 2 is approximately 2.557. Okay, part A was worth 3 points. I can't believe that. Okay, 1 for the integral, 1 for using your initial condition, and 1 for the answer. That's pretty crazy. That's an easy 3 points. Okay. Part B, is there a point at which the line tangent to the curve has a slope of 2? So we have to remember how to do our slopes. Okay. And it's actually not a bad problem in this case because remember, these are the derivatives. This is the velocity. So that is the slope. So I have my, remember, make sure you put your y on top, all over your x. Remember, these are the derivatives. So that's my dy dt, that's my dx dt. I want to know if the slope equals 2. Use your solve command. Remember, if your calculator doesn't like the solve command, you can always graph it. We get 0.840, and I don't believe we're given any units, so that's it. That was worth 2 points. 1 for setting up the equation, 1 for the answer. Okay, part C. Find the time in which the speed of the particle is 3. Okay, now speed, be very careful, is not what you think of. A lot of people want to do absolute value, which is kind of right. But don't we have another definition for absolute value? It's like our magnitude a little bit. So I want my velocity. We're at 3. Okay. Or no, it says is 3, so not at 3. So cosine squared plus e to the 0.5t squared. That's my speed. That is a definition we have on our syntax card, covered in chapter 7, I believe. Maybe chapter 6, I can't remember. We want to know when it's equal to 3. So take your calculator, use your solve command. We get approximately 2.196. That was 2 points as well. 1 for having the equation, 1 for the answer. Okay. Find the total distance traveled. It should be give me points straight off our syntax cards. We're on time interval 0 to 1. Square root of my velocity pieces squared plus e to the 0.5t squared dt. Use your calculator, get approximately 1.595. 2 points, 1 for the integral, 1 for the answer. Overall, I think that's a pretty easy starting one because that is a BC question only. That is not an AB question.